Good evening, legendary YouTube followers. It's not. My mate gave me this aeropro inverter to figure out what's wrong with it, and if I can fix it, I can buy it. If not, we just throw it in the bin. So we're going to try and figure out what's wrong with it. It's a cool little form factor. It's really small. It appears to have good cooling fans. It's pretty heavy and solid. Got fuses in the side which you can service. I'm thinking we could put this in my transit van. So, apparently it did put out power. It's a 600 watt pure sine wave, so the aeropro number is FTS 600P. First thing I noticed when I opened the case, so I did try to power it up first. The USBs worked, but the actual AC output wouldn't work. First thing I noticed, look at this, ready? Just sitting there. Not even soldered. So there's some problems there with the terminals, as you can see. So I guess let's connect it to a power supply and see if we can fire up the AC side now. Alright. Let's go for the old favourite, 13.8 volts. Now, if I connect the positive to here, I'm still on the right side of heaven. No, the right side of the fuse block. So, if something does go wrong, we don't end up on the moon. Okay, so the best way to get into this side, I reckon, there's a big terminal down in there, so we might do the negative first because we can much more quickly disconnect the positive. It's in a bit of a rough spot. Hang on a minute. Alright, I got it. I need a multimeter that does AC power. Ready? See what happens. Oh, not much. Oh, would you look at that? We got a big chirp and it says there's power there. We're currently pulling 1.1 amps. Well, I'm only reading 15 volts. $15 volts is not enough volts. It's alright, I survived. So fault light. Shut it down, fire it up. Sitting there pulling 1.3 amps again, so inverter's got to be active. You gotta be real careful with these kinds of inverters on the outlets because the AC outputs, they can run, I think it's called a hot leg setup, and they can both be live as live. It's not registering on the AC scale. Not registering on the DC either. When you go to AC, it goes back to 0. Neutral to earth goes 15 volts. We've got 15 volts active to neutral. That is odd. Okay, well I thought I was onto this. So there's 1, 2, 3 leads coming out of the board there. So 1, 2, 3 and an earth. Definitely no AC there. Let's turn it off. See if we get a .8 volts. Alright, I'm stumped. Anyone with some ideas, throw them my way, because I might buy a cheap inverter. But I'm going to solder that point up there up first, and then have a look. I'm going to have a look on the back side of the board for more crappy soldering, and see what I can find. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next one. If I fix it, I'll make you an update. Thanks for watching. Cheers.